I was just walking around when I noticed something on the ground. A pair of shoes already thrown away. At first glance, they looked fine, but when I picked them up, I saw the real reason. The sole had completely separated from the upper. That's why someone decided to throw them out. But to me, this still looked fixable. Nearby, I found some discarded styrofoam. Just trash to most people. But sometimes trash can still be useful. Back at the workspace, let's take a closer look. The upper and the sole are completely detached. Before fixing anything, surface preparation is important. I lightly sand both sides to remove dirt, old glue residue, and anything that might prevent proper bonding. This step helps the adhesive grip better later. Next, I prepare the adhesive. I pour a small amount of gasoline into a container. This will be used to dissolve the styrofoam. I break the styrofoam into small pieces and slowly add them into the container. As it dissolves, the mixture thickens. After stirring for a while, it turns into a sticky adhesive. Once the glue is ready, I apply it evenly to the upper part of the shoe and also to the detached sole. Both surfaces need to be coated properly to ensure a strong bond. Now comes the important part. I carefully align the sole back into position, then press firmly, making sure everything sits exactly where it should. Good alignment now means better durability later. keep the sole from shifting, I wrap the shoe tightly using paper tape. This acts like a clamp, holding everything in place. Now the shoe is left to cure for a full day, allowing the adhesive to set properly. After drying overnight, the tape is carefully removed. The sole feels solid and well attached. Any excess glue is cleaned up to make the repair look neat and presentable. And just like that, the shoe is usable again. The bond feels surprisingly strong and the sole stays firmly in place. This pair didn't need to end up in the trash after all. If you enjoy simple DIY repairs like this, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative fixes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see repaired next. Thanks for watching.